So although I studied architecture and built 6 years of experience in the field, I always found my motivation to be in designing experiences. Architecture did give me creative liberty to design functional and aesthetically pleasing spaces for the clients who are using them. But I felt that designing experiences at that scale was a bit limited, and I wanted to design for a bigger demographic. So based on that thought, I started to learn about UX. I developed my skills through online courses and certification and some freelance projects. I did that for 2 years while being a full-time architect, but then I decided to quit my full-time job and find the best UI/UX career path. So I started applying and I landed my first full-time job a year ago. I honestly think that it's never too late to pursue what you love. I mean, I did it at 30. Honestly, shifting to UX/UI was one of the best decisions I ever made. I'm more excited and more happy in my day-to-day tasks. Every new project comes with a new challenge which keeps me motivated. We can't deny that we live in a digital era, and working in tech nowadays is very beneficial, whether it's for the career growth or financially. So anyone thinking about going into UX/UI, I say do it. It's not easy, but it's worth it. It needs a lot of work. You need to commit, you need to practice a lot and work hard. But there is great value in learning this field and creating experiences for people. So take online courses, take certificates, practice, even if it's just for your portfolio, and good luck.